Dulur, apa kabar? I'm still in the Changi airport and I'm going to look for my breakfast. So if you want to know my activity, don't go where you will find out. So this is Changi Terminal 2. I want to share with you where you can go for having a movie, a cinema for 24 hours. So cinema 24 hours are located in each terminal, Terminal 1, Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. So I want to share with you where you can go in Terminal 2 for cinema 24 hours. Thank you. So this is the cinema movie theater.
Guys, we need to get that food in now.
See, listener, only allows you to alter the DNA of one cell at a time. But I developed a system which rapidly transmits changes to every strand of DNA in the host's body. Mr. Okoye, listen to me. I am the only one who can cure.
Because I have a flight in a very short time, so I decided to leave from cinema to seek for some breakfast. Hello, how are you? One level down, please.
Down.
Only
You
one.
too?
Yes, please.
Second half.
Take away and two, please. Oh. Yes. Oh, sorry. Oh, and two is this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You want take away?
Yes, please. Take away. Upsize, how much?
690.
690. I take it. Or it's okay. It's okay. That's fine. This one and then I pay cash. Okay. Order and two from chicken rice, that one. Wanted noodle dry. So and I ordered for takeaway. Now I'm going back to my gate. Hopefully I got a sky train there. So I'm inside the sky train now.
Please hold on to the handrails. We are now leaving for Terminal 2. We are now approaching Terminal 2. Please bring along all your belongings. Welcome to Terminal 2.
Information
I'm
card in your seat pocket contains additional information. Please read it carefully.
ready to
Smoking and use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed on Scoot flights. Any attempt to smoke will set off the
This is Juanda Juanda International Airport in Surabaya. And this is some of the food court here. And some of them it hasn't opened yet. This is of my journey. So if you find any useful information, you can like that button, you can subscribe, so you will not miss your adventure experience. Okay? And you are pleased to share with your family and friends. Have a lovely day and see you and bye bye.